name is Helena.
I'm Seán.
And just to give you guys an idea of where we are.
I'm in Chicago.
I'm in Philadelphia.
I'm in Santa Rosa, California.
And I'm down in San Diego, California.
So we're going to break down some of the wonderful magical elements that make an Irish pub tonight. There are about 10 million glasses of Guinness drunk every day. Actually, tell me again, how many of you are drinking Guinness? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 10,000,005 today.
Any brewer around the world, if they want to brew an Irish stout, they'll get the water profile from Dublin. That's what gives its uniqueness.
And what pub in Ireland are going to now?
I am in Malzard's Bar, Kilkenny.
Brilliant.
I think we're going to meet the owner as well, are we?
We are indeed, yes.
Hello, my name is Fred Malzard. This is my family pub.
This is our family dog Oscar, who greets all our guests when they arrive. Hello, Oscar.
So guys, you're going to have to come to Ireland and come for a pint in Malzard's.
Oscar's there, yes.
And the bird and the nest on the limb and the limb and the branch and the branch and the tree and the bog and the hole in the bog and the bog down in the valley, oh, 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 down in the valley, oh, 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 down in the valley, oh. And we're going to have a little competition. Everybody is going to get 30 seconds to describe their beer. Ready, go!
This is the Guinness Extra Stout. It tastes like baking a chocolate cake on a late snowy night.
I feel like when I drink this, I'm at that moment in the summer when I have sweat through all my clothes.
It's nutty and fragrant.
Like laying naked next to a campfire on a moonless, warm summer night.
Last but not least is Anne. Anne, which of your 50 drinks would you like to drink? Anne is the winner!
Excellent choice.
Awesome. That was great.
Very impressive.